Hi, my name is Pilar, and for the fifth part of the campfire cooking, I'm going to be showing you how to make some cracked chicken sandwiches. First, you have to make the marinade for the chicken breasts. First, in a medium-sized bowl, and 1/4 cup of avocado oil, 1/4 cup of water, then add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and finally add 1 package of garlic, herb, and wine marinade. Now mix all these ingredients together until combined. Now add 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breasts into a marinade. And toss them to cool them. Now place the chicken breasts into a refrigerator and let them marinate for 15 minutes. Now add the chicken breasts onto the grill. And let them cook for 5 to 7 minutes on each side. After you let the chicken breasts cook for 5 to 7 minutes, put them over on each side. Now lightly butter the hamburger buns. And place the hamburger buns on top of the grill. Remove the chicken breasts out of the grill and place that onto a plate. Remove the hamburger buns out of the grill and place them onto a baking pan. And now stir the chicken breasts with 2 forks. Now add the shredded chicken into a medium-sized bowl. Then add 4 ounces of melted cubed cream cheese at room temperature. Then add 1 tablespoon of Italian ranch dressing and 1/4 cup of mixed shredded cheese. Now stir everything together until combined. Now add the cut chopped bacon into the chicken mixture and stir it into it until combined. Now let's assemble the sandwiches. First add the chicken, bacon, and cheese mixture onto the bottom of the hamburger bun. And sprinkle some chopped green onion on top. And closing. and serve it with some green beans. Now here is the final presentation of the crack chicken sandwiches. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.